Understanding Prevail Upon, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, prevail upon. Idioms like these can be tricky, but they're essential for mastering the subtleties of the English language. Let's get started. Prevail upon is an idiom that means to persuade or convince someone to do something. It often implies a bit of effort or insistence in the persuasion process. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal contexts, adding a touch of elegance to your speech or writing. To fully grasp this idiom, let's break it down. Prevail typically means to win or triumph. Upon, in this context, acts as a preposition similar to on or over. When combined, prevail upon suggests the act of triumphing over someone's hesitations or reluctance through persuasion. Let's look at some examples to see how prevail upon is used in sentences. 1. After much discussion, I was able to prevail upon my friend to join the volunteer project. 2. She prevailed upon her colleagues to support the new initiative. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe successful persuasion in various situations. Don't confuse prevail upon with simply prevail, which has a different meaning. Remember, it's used in contexts where persuasion is involved, not just winning or succeeding. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, prevail upon, confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, mastering idioms like this one is a great step towards fluency in English. Keep practicing, and you'll prevail in your language learning journey. See you in the next video.